Good day, class. I'm Rafa Jane Lagumbay Ubanan, your teacher for today. But you can call me Teacher Jane. So, our topic last time is all about air pollution. So, what does air pollution mean? It means these are harmful substances that negatively impact our health, the plants, the animals, as well as our environment. And did you know, if you watch the video, there are two types and two sources of air pollution. What are the types? So first we have the primary pollutants, and the second one is the secondary pollutants. And for the sources, we have the natural sources and the anthropogenic sources. So we have a game for that, and that game is what we call Sort It Out, identifying types and sources of air pollutants. So of course, we have a goal to attain in this game. So first, to differentiate between natural and anthropogenic sources of air pollutants. The second one is to classify pollutants as primary or secondary. And the last one is to promote teamwork, critical thinking, and quick recall of concepts related to air pollution. Of course, in a game, we need materials. Of course, the materials for this game, we need 8 labeled boxes, 4 boxes per group. So, as what you've noticed in the table, we have 8 boxes. So, the red box is for natural sources. The orange box is for anthropogenic sources. The yellow box is primary pollutants, and the green box is for secondary pollutants. And then we also have 20 cut out circles, 10 per group, with corresponding point values in the center. So we have here this one, these are the cut out circles, 20 ni siya, 10 per group. So for the red, we have 5 points. For the orange circle, we have 10 points. For the yellow, we have 15 points. And lastly, for the green, we have 20 points. And lastly, we have here a flashcards or visual prompts. It's either a word, image, or descriptions of pollutants and sources that I'll be showing to you later on. So, of course, we have here our procedures. Of course, we need to prepare. So, we have here a preparation. So, divide the class into 2 groups. So, I already divide the class. So, the group 1 composed of Abdullah Actob Alderete Balanay Kandina Konog, Flores Lagrada Manlangit Pozon and Salud. And for the group 2, we have Akaak Adapon Adliho Campos Caodor Intera, Gomez Lopez Paradero Quezada Tado. So, obviously, equal ang members per group. So, next one is distribute the materials. So, I will distribute the materials to each group. So, both group will receive 4 labeled boxes and 10 colored cut-out circles, and then I will prepare the visual prompts like what I said earlier. Game mechanics. So, the teacher presents a clue. It's either a word, image, or description. And then, a representative from each group quickly decides on the correct category and selects a circle with the matching color. And then, the representative then run and drop the circle into the corresponding box. So, for the red circle, so ihulog siya sa red na box that is natural source. Kung orange pod nga circle, ihulog po siya sa orange nga box that is anthropogenic source. And if yellow nga circle, ihulog po siya sa yellow nga box for primary pollutants. And if green nga circle, ihulog po siya sa green nga box for secondary pollutants. For the scoring rules we have here, we need to clarify this because our student is competitive. So first is, if the first group places the correct circle in the correct box, of course, they earn a point, And if the first group is wrong, so kung mali ang first group, and the second group is correct, the second group gets the points. And if both are wrong, of course, no points are given. So the teacher revealed the correct answer. And what happened if both teams answer correctly? Of course, they earn a point. So we have here a tie or bonus round. So there is a possibility nga naamang tie. So we need to have a bonus round. So if this happens, so the game ends in a tie, no? The teacher gives a complex scenario and the team with the most accurate classification earns the final point. Okay? And lastly, we have here the rank up. So repeat until all prompts are used or all circles are placed in the correct boxes, and the group with the most points win the game and will receive a prize. And take note, aya ra mag run and drop if mag-ingon ko og go. So maghulat sa ako ang signals. Everyone, are you ready for our game? If you're ready, then let's begin. Round 1, carbon monoxide. Think, choose, run, drop, go! Go! Carbon monoxide is primary pollutants. Run, go, keep! Wala yung nakascore! Next representative! What is this picture? Someone, this is dust storm, okay? Dust storm. 1, 2, 3, go! And the correct answer is...
Uy, nahulog.
Okay, next representative. Next representative. Round 3. Vehicle emissions. Think, choose, run, drop. Okay, you go, ha? Vehicle emissions. So, unsa ni siya? Source ba ni siya? Or type ba ni siya? Think, choose, run, drop, go! Yay! The correct answer is... Color orange! Group! Terrenalin! Ang Tinagari points ang orange! Yes! 10 points! Okay! 10 points! Terrenalin, active, and color. Volcanic eruptions! Excited na kayo! Excited! Hoy! Tarawa! Ito! Think! Choose! Run! Drop! One!
Ang giubo na.
2! 3!
Ligid, Lord.
Go! Una sila! Kahit kampo! Ako silang 5 points. 5 points, 10 points. Next, round 5. Acid rain. Form when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide mixed with water vapor. Unsa man ang acid rain? Natural source, anthropogenic source, secondary pollutants, or primary pollutants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wala pa ko gaingon. Go! Yes, no! Sa inyo, secondary. Secondary. Okay, the answer is... Balik pa na to.